Hello everyone, here is the question 3. Obtain all other zeros of given polynomial. The polynomial is 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3. Here two zeros are already given, and in the last video we have seen one example. We will follow that method. First we will compare it with x. As I told you, if it is in factor with x, so it is with minus. If this one is plus, means with x it is in minus, because when you are comparing it with 0 it will come this side and x having value as under root 5 by 3. And if it is minus under root 5 by 3, means with x it is x plus under root 5 by 3. Then you are comparing it with 0, then you got minus under root 5 by 3. Means if zeros are like this, then it having factor as x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. So we will write it again. So here we will write one factor as x minus under root 5 by 3, and whichever is in minus we will write x plus under root 5 by 3. So now you understood the concept. Whatever is in plus it will come here with minus, and whatever is in minus it will come with x as plus. So here we got two factors. If we are opening this bracket, means if we are applying the identity a minus b and a plus b, our identity will be a square minus, this is our b, under root 5 by 3, and we have to do square of it. So our identity will be a square minus b square. If we are solving it, it will become x square. Square root will cut out. So here will remain 5 by 3. Now it is not in the form. If we are doing division method with this, so we will be confused. So we will solve further it. Here we will take LCM. Here is 1, here is 3. We want 3 there. So we will multiply 3 both the sides. So it will become 3x square minus 5 and upon now it is 3. Here we have taken LCM of it. Now if we are comparing any factors with 0, so this 3 will become 0. So now we got our g of x in the form of 3x square minus 5, because this 3 will multiply with 0 and it will become 0. Now this one is our g of x. Now we have to do division method with this. So here we will write our question, that is 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. And here we got as 3x square minus 5, which is equals to 0. But as you can see, it is not in the form, means we can convert it in the form like that, 3x square plus 0x minus 5. So we will be more comfortable to divide this thing. So here we will write, so here you can say that we have to divide this 3x square plus 0x minus 5. This is our g of x, and we have to divide this thing. So here we want 3, here we having 3. Here is x raised to 4 and we want x square. So simply we can do that, we will multiply x square. If we are multiplying this, as I show you, it will become 3x raised to 4. If 0 is there, it will become plus 0x cube. To make ourselves comfortable, we have to multiply this x square into x, but 0 into 1 will become 0. And plus minus will become minus 5. Here is 1. We cannot see, but 5 ones are 5 and x square. So here now we will change the sign. If it is in plus, it will become minus. If it is plus, it will become minus, and minus will become plus. Now we have to forget this. Now we will cut out this. Now here we have to write that plus 6, so it will filter out and it will become 6x cube. Plus minus will remain minus, means operation will be minus. 5 minus 2 will be 3. But the symbol of greater number is plus, so we will write plus. And here we have to write that is x square. Here we will take down minus 10x. So here we are taking down minus 10x. So here we can see one new thing, that there is x square, here is x, so we want 1x. As well as there is 3 and here we want 6, so we will multiply with plus 2x. So then it will become 3 2s are 6. X square into x will become x cube. 2x multiplied by 0, it will become 0x square. Minus plus will become minus. 5 2s are 10 and x. Here we will cut the sign. If it is plus, it will become minus, plus will become minus, and minus will become plus. Now we will forget this. We will cancel out this. This will filter out. It will become 3x square. Plus minus again it will cancel. So it will become 0x. Why we are keeping 0x? If you are not keeping, it is like this. 3x square minus 5. But if we are keeping 0x, so it will be like this. So don't be confused. To make ourselves comfortable, we are doing this. Now we will take down that 5. So what you can see that 3x square plus 0x, and that is 3x square plus 0x minus 5 is same. So we will multiply with plus 1. So if we are multiplying anything with 1, the same thing we are getting. So we will write the same thing. Here we have to change the sign. If it is plus, it will become minus, minus, and it is becoming plus. Now we will cancel out all these things and we are keeping 0. The most important thing, as I told you, that our remainder should be 0 for this method, and we are getting one quotient over there. For that quotient, that q, so here we got our quotient as x square plus 2x plus 1. If you are solving this by splitting the middle term, what you are getting, you have to make 1 ones are 1, take out factor of 1, and by adding them you are getting 2. So here on the place of 2x we can write x plus 1, means you splitted this 2x in the form of xx. And here we are getting 0. If you are taking x common from 8, you are getting x over here, and x you already taken out, so it will become 1. Here nothing is common, so you will take by yourself as 1. So in the bracket the same thing will remain. So it will become x plus 1, and that is equals to 0. These two brackets should be same, so we are writing it as 1s. And these two things we will write in another bracket. So we will again write x plus 1. We got both the brackets same. If we are comparing it with 0, what we are getting? Let us see. If we are comparing x plus 1 with 0, we are getting x equals to minus 1. So we got 1 0 as minus 1. Our another bracket is also x plus 1. So if we are comparing with 0, we are getting minus 1 only. Why we are comparing same thing both the time? Because sometime this sign will be minus. If you are habituated to doing this thing 2 times, so it will be very good for you. So here they ask us that obtain all the zeros. If we having 2 zeros as under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3, another 2 zeros we got as minus 1 minus 1. So here we will finally write our answer. Our zeros are minus 1, minus 1, under root 5 by 3, and minus under root 5 by 3.